if you don't understand variables, you will never code in Python. Let me teach you variables in 2 minutes. Okay, think of a variable like a box with a name tag on it. Inside that box, you can put in anything, a number, a word, your name, and anytime you need that thing, just call the box by its name. In Python, to make a box, we use the equal sign. We use this sign in Python to make a box. That's like a variable, yes. So now, let's create a box called name and put in George inside it. So now let's create a box name equals to, in Python, to put in alphabets, you have to use either a single quote or a double quote. Any of them works. So I'm going to put my name inside a double quote. So George. So now I'm going to write print name. So basically going to tell Python to print what is kept inside the box. Now, for example, now this name is the box now. So this is what's inside the box. George is inside what is inside the box. So now we're telling Python to print name. Now if I print name now, Python will remember what's inside the box and show me George. Let's see it. So now as you can see now, Python just returned George as my output. You can also put numbers too. Let's make an age variable. So let's make an age variable now. Age equals to, let's say, 19. Then in Python, in creating an age variable, like you want to use numbers in Python now, you don't have to use a quote, like either no double quote, no single quotes. You just have to leave it like that because Python is very, very smart. You understand what we're talking about. In Python now, we call this kind of numbers with no decimal, integers. Then numbers with decimals, we call them floats. So let's create a number with a decimal. Let's height. Height. We're going to put height as 5.8. So now this type of number now is called a float. So now we can also use boolean. Boolean means like true or false. Like it tells if a condition is true or is false. So now we can also use boolean variable now. Let's say is coding equals to. So now when writing a true or false, you have to use a capital letter T or capital letter F. So I want to go with true. So it's because I'm actually coding, so I'm going with true. So now Python, you can see my VS Code highlighted it blue. That's to tell you that it's valid. So true. So now let's see the output of this code. Print age, print height, print is coding. So now let's see the output now. So as you can see, Python just returned 19, 5.8 and true as my value. So now, why do we care about variables? We care about variables because without variables now, your code will be dumb. Without variables, you can actually do nothing in Python without variables. Imagine making a game and you can't store the player score. Impossible, right? Variables let your program remember stuff. That's the foundation of every app, website and AI you will build with me in this channel. So now, quick rule to remember when coding in Python. When creating a variable, your variable name cannot start with a number. It cannot start with a number. Your variable name cannot start with a number. Let me show you guys what my VS Code is going to return when I put a number as a variable name. So let's say one name. As you can see, it's kind of showing me like an error inside the code. Highlighting is red. It's a red line telling me that there's a problem there. So now, you cannot start a variable name with a number. You can only use underscores to separate two words. For example, now, if I want to say the boys, let me say George name. Now, I have to put an underscore, George, then underscore name. This makes your code so readable. If I remove this underscore, most people won't understand what I just wrote there. So now, just learn the number one building block of Python. Your homework is to create 3 variables about you and print them.